Hey, what's up guys, Two Wheel Turbine. My dad has been talking about these Whipple regular cab F-150s for quite a while, and it looks like today is the day. Should be leaving the lot in this 2024 Whipple F-150. It's gonna be exciting to see how this thing drives and compare it to the speed of the Tesla Cybertruck. Got it lowered on Ford Performance wheels. It's dropped, it's got a side exit catback exhaust, kind of tonneau cover on the back. Looks pretty badass, great color, silver and black, you can't go wrong with that. May do some paint match bumpers in the future, but we got that Whipple and it sounds amazing. So whenever we get it home, we'll put the camera inside and get our first drive reactions to what it's like whipping around in this 700 horsepower Ford F-150 work truck. Okay guys, it finally came back. Sounds crazy. About to jump in and see what it's like for a first drive reaction. We'll hop in, see what it's about. Feel any slip? I can't, how dark is this tint?
It's
this
dark.
Is illegal. I think it's like 10%.
I can't even see.
Wow. Yeah, this is dark. Oh yeah, it sounds good. We'll wait for this light to turn green. There we go. Let's see how it does.
That was like 90%.
Yeah, I'll get up to like 30 or 40 too. I'll wait for this car too. I don't know if they're doing. Okay, we'll do a little like 70% pull. Oh yeah, that's fast. Yeah, you're right. It's fast.
It's 705 horsepower.
Oh, the downshifts are crazy. Think about how good it sounds.
Yeah, it sounds real good.
Yeah. Gosh. I wonder if you're in a roll race, how do you get it to the right gear?
Yeah,
like so it doesn't kick down.
It's a 10-speed, right?
Yeah, it's a 10-speed.
I mean, I was doing 95, like it was like
really?
30.
Dang.
It just makes a huge difference.
The ride, I actually, now that I'm driving it, I can tell the suspension is stiff.
It's very stiff.
You can feel everything.
It's very stiff.
Yeah.
It's definitely not comfortable as my other truck.
Yeah, no.
This is a race car.
Yeah.
It's meant for the racetrack.
Oh yeah, it's fast. It does remind me of the Hellcat.
It's crazy.
The way it pulls up top.
It pulls up top. It pulls up top. That truck tried to race me. It's like Dodge. We were on both on the Express. It was like embarrassing.
He probably didn't know it was a Whipple though.
Yeah, no, he did not. He found out quickly, and then he backed way down. He backed way down.
Oh my gosh.
Go up 170.
Yeah, I'll go up on this exit or two. That's cool. See, I'm wondering why whenever he went to sport, remember, did you notice that? It like kicked it.
To 2?
Yeah, it went to 2. I want to see if, oh, that's off-road. Let me see. I think, oh yeah, there's sport. Let me see what it does.
But that's, if it's 2-wheel drive.
Oh yeah, that's weird.
Crap.
Yeah, okay, we'll go back to normal then. That's tow. What's this? Normal. Okay.
I just hit 4-wheel. I mean, 4 high.
Yeah. Yeah, so here's the selector. So you change modes.
I just
too
hit the
high. Yeah, and this would only be if you're like off-road or. But this truck will never, probably ever go into 4 low.
No way.
Probably never go into 4 low. Yeah. It is quick though, very quick. Yeah, you need to keep a radar in this truck.
You got it?
Because it wants to go fast.
You're gonna get it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it doesn't. Oh yeah, it doesn't really spin.
And I get a ticket. We're going to jail tonight, maybe.
Yeah, I don't know. I think 60 to 100. This would get the Cybertruck. It would be very. But the suspension is very stiff.
It's very
We need
stiff.
to take this to the 8th mile track one day. Okay, we'll do 60. We'll see how. Okay, ready, set, go. Wow.
What'd you get up to?
110 almost. I'll exit here.
Yeah.
Jeez. See how fast we catch that car.
gonna die. Holy shit. If that was 205,
That
it
is
would have been dead.
crazy how fast this thing is. Alright guys, that's the first drive of the 700 horsepower F-150. Definitely one of the most visceral auto experiences you can have with one of these short bed F-150s with a Whipple on them. Super fun. We're gonna have to race it against the Cybertruck over there, see who can win, American muscle or American tech and American nerds. We'll see who can win. But stay tuned for more videos with the 700 horsepower F-150. Here's a quick little walk around for those who are curious what this thing looks like. I don't think I showed you guys everything. Badass truck though. Man, something about fast trucks. I don't think you can beat them. Let's see what it looks like with the lights on. I like those ambers on it too. Just looks sweet. Ford LED emblem. Man, you guys are gonna have to stay tuned for more videos with this truck.